Welcome. If you've ever sent a GIF in an Instagram chat on your PC and instantly wished you could take it back, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to unsend a GIF from a chat using the latest Instagram app update for PC. It's quick, easy, and you'll never have to worry about accidental GIFs again. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're in, look over to the left menu and find the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. Give that a click. This will open up all your recent conversations. Next, scroll through your chats and open the conversation where you sent the GIF you want to remove. Take your time and make sure you're in the right chat, especially if you're in a group conversation or have multiple chats going on. Now, here comes the important part. Scroll through the messages in the chat until you find the exact GIF you want to unsend. Notice the three dots that appear next to the GIF message? Go ahead and click on those three dots. This will bring up a small menu with several options. From the menu, select the option that says Unsend. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this GIF from the chat. This is your last chance to change your mind. If you're sure, click Unsend again to confirm. And that's it. The GIF will instantly disappear from the chat for everyone, as if it was never sent. No more awkward moments, no more regrets. With this new update, managing your messages on Instagram for PC is easier than ever. So the next time you send a GIF by mistake, just follow these simple steps and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.